today we're gonna draw a dog. And the name of the show is Coloring with Killing. And you can find me on YouTube. And this is how we're gonna draw it. You could draw it this way or this way. I'm gonna do it this way. Actually, this way. Draw a line, and when you're done, stop. The bottom of it. And then you draw that, and then wait. But when you're done, you draw that again. That. And then we're gonna draw up here the dog face. That's how we're going to draw it. And this is what I drew.
Caroline, what kind of dog is it?
A golden retriever. And it's facing that way. You could do those lines. You can draw even better than this way. But then you can draw. You can draw that. The tail. Their tails are big. You could put something like that on it to make it have fur. I'm gonna do my dog actually orange because I don't have any yellow. This is our third thing that we draw. And it's only gonna go to 1, 2, and then 3 channels, but then it will go even more. You can draw it golden, you can draw it however you can color it in however you want, though. And you can draw it better than me, or badder than me, or as bad as mine, or as good as mine, or like mine. You could draw a tongue, but I'm not drawing a tongue. You don't have to do a sun, but I'm not going to do a sun actually. Our third channel.